So I'm somebody who is a full-time business owner and somebody who likes to be active. And I used to drink coffee all the time until I found this unbelievable supplement that really works well for me from Natgrown called Maca Root. It's an extra strength vegetarian capsule. If you don't know what Maca Root is, it's a premium quality potent dose of organic Peruvian red, yellow, and black maca root. It's basically a plant-based superfood that gives an amazing way of balancing my hormone levels, boosts my energy, supports healthy desire. It's just ideal for people like me who are always on the go, athletes, weekend warriors, etc., etc. And it actually works. I didn't have the jitters. I didn't have the crash that coffee gave me. And I'm just super, super excited. It's for men and women. It's made in the USA. There's a lot of different brands out there, but I trust Natgrown. I think they do a really, really great job, and they use 3 different types of maca root. It's a 1,500 milligram vegetarian, gluten-free, made with organic maca root powder. I'll show you what the actual capsule looks like right here, and I'm just a huge supporter of this. And just because I've tried it, I've actually used it myself. I mean, studies have shown that maca supplementation supports healthy mood, blood pressure, and even postmenopausal aspects in women. Again, it's made in the USA. It goes through a process of gelatinization, which uses heat and water to make it easier to digest. Does not contain gluten, milk, soy, tree nuts, peanuts, or wheat. I just highly, highly recommend because it makes me feel amazing. And I've actually switched from drinking coffee to this. I cannot recommend this anymore. Highly, highly recommend.